Good evening, you all.
Good evening, sir.
In this tutorial, as a spoken English teacher, I have given you many different tasks, and I do believe that you will try to explain about your viewpoint related with that certain topics as what is given to you. First and foremost, you know that what is much more formal. You have to give an introduction first, then you try to clarify about your presentation, which is playing in your mind. So let us start. Please carry on.
Yeah, guys, Sammo this side. So today, at first of the class, one said asked me what you want to be alive. So I'm little bit confused. But after that, when my ambition came to my topic for the certain day, so it is a little bit a happy moment for me. So the question the sir asked me that why I want to be a medical student. First of all, I want to be a medical student. I want to be a doctor in my life. Yes, it is little bit of funny. Yes, it is little bit of ambitious. So let's start. First of all, why I have chosen the medical science? Because medical science means responsibility. Because actually, whenever in a OT room or in a chamber, at the last end of your life, or in the end of the moment of your life, when you are standing behind the doors of death, then only doctor can hold your hand and turn back around. The responsibility is really very important. No one can everyone are not so much eligible for take the responsibility. Many different people say I have done this, I have done this, I have done that, but no one can say that I have saved one's life. Saving one life may be the most important work I have ever seen. Not only important, saving a life may be the most noble jobs I have ever seen. Engineers made different structures, artists make different paintings, theater people make different dramas. But whatever a medical student, a medical science student do may be the most noble job in the world ever. And next thing, what is my priority, what is my most preferable thing is that when a people is walking on the floor having a white coat in his body and having a stetho in his neck is really a looking thing. Because I have seen different peoples when a MBBS is there in a floor, means it is a bachelor degree, it is a graduation, it is a degree of graduation. And when PhD means it is a master degree and above, when a people is running, they would like to give priority the MBBS more, because people know that how much knowledge is required to be a medical student there. Next thing is importance of medical science. Why I have chosen this field? Because we all know that what is the importance of medical science, especially in the COVID situation, where today is a situation where we are in a state of fear, we are in a state of hesitation that if any physical or mental disease is there in our body, then we have to suffer a lot. So in this properly in this situation, a medical student has a value than any other subject. And obviously the people a very old wish of people is that long living. For years and years the people would like to live would like pray for a long time. And even I have seen my elders praying to God for them and their families for a long time. So I think the doctors are the equal to God, and they are providing this type of situation, this type of services to people, that their wish can may fulfill, they can live a long life, a better long life ever. Next thing is how to be a medical student. Medical student is not all cup of tea. Medical student requires a lot of thing, lot of knowledge and different things. For a medical student in India especially, you have to crack an examination called NEET, National Eligibility and Entrance Examination. For that reason, you should be determined, you should have done hard work. Hard work doesn't mean that set up a clock and stay there for hours and hours. Hard work means a complete quality time study. Because you can it is not mandatory for you that my neighbors are studying for 12 hours, 13 hours, 14 hours for cracking the NEET, and for that same reason I have to also read that certain amount of time. It is not really true. You have to give your quality time, you have to give your quality study, then you will be able to crack the NEET. And the next thing is smart work. Yes, because old times the people say that there is no replace of hard work. I also agreed that, but today in the 21st century, standing on the 21st century, I would like to say that smart work also have the same existence and importance there. Because without smart work, bogusly doing the hard work, I don't personally think that success will come. So hard work, and besides that, smart work is really important. What you have to choose, what you have to leave, even what you have to touch is really important. Next thing is what problem arises there. First problem is, what is the local board student face a language problem, and for that reason I am here in the spoken English. Because whenever I am a doctor, when I will pass out, if I am pass out, then I definitely not get a chance to talk in my mother tongue or local language. Of that reason I have to be shift on spoken English, and at this moment of time, if I am failed to talk, it is really an embarrassing thing. For that reason, from a grassroots level, I have to be so much comfortable in a English language. So for that reason, English language or language problem is obviously there. Next thing is question pattern, because we know that the CBSE and ICSE boards are there who follow the same pattern, but actually there are different state boards and local boards are there whose question patterns are different. And for that reason, the students who are reading in the local board or state board finally meet up with all over India, examination all over the India, they feel a little bit of nervousness, because when they are solving this type of papers, they are out of the track, because the tradition what have they are following for years and years, it is breaking and somehow. So actually a little bit of hesitations are there. Next thing is vast syllabus of 11 and 12. Yes, the NEET exams requires the syllabus of 11th and 12th. What are the maybe the most hardest class itself. And when we are talking about some board examination, we see that it also only carries the syllabus of class 10 or class 12 independently. But when we are talking about an examination, especially competitive examination like NEET, JEE, etc., IIT, then we have to think that both syllabus of class 11 and class 12 are required, and it is really a vast one. Next thing is the people who think that I am weak in physics, I am weak in math, but strong in biology, I can crack the medical easily. So this is a wrong concept, obviously, because the people who are weak in math, weak in physics, they cannot crack the NEET, because physics hold term major portions there in the NEET examination. Next thing is module selection. What is module? The PDFs, the paperwork, the writing, the notes you are carrying are togetherly called module. And there are different modules in the market, but you have to choose which one is your which one is the most perfect module for your, because your studying pattern are different from others, your question writing capability is different for your from other students. So whenever you are suggesting anyone some module, or you are on buying a module, then you have to be more careful. Next thing I would like to say that method of studying, because some people believe in self-study, that I have a module, I have PDFs, I have the knowledge, I can self-study, groom myself, and therefore I will crack it. It is obviously a method, of trying, but most of the students would like to switch on to the coaching classes, because coaching class means extra guidance to you. They will provide you certain circumstances which can help you to crack the NEET, because what I have told earlier, that seats are limited there in the NEET examination, and the number of people who are giving it really a vast number. So your success chance, your cracking chance are day by day decreasing. So you have to be more specific, you have to be more determined, therefore cracking NEET. So in the conclusion, I would like to say that medical should be your passion. that many people say that I want to be a medical student, I want to be MBBS. Not that I have to be MBBS, I have to be a medical student. That type of enthu is really needed for your work. Years ago, that APJ Abdul Kalam, I have strike it in mind that APJ Abdul Kalam has said that what is dream? What you know the definition of dream? People say that what we see actually in sleep is reality, is dream. Then APJ with a smile answered that no, the thing which not let you sleep, that is the dream. What
Yes.
you want to say, that the aim to you have to feel that I have to be a medical student. By then when I have so many future plans, I can serve the people, so I can have those I have this capability to handle the responsibility and then follow on. So, and next thing is obviously important. So that the when the people say that actually there are so many different occupations are there, when we have a chance to have more and more money, then